Y'all, this stuff smells so good. Seriously.
Hi guys, I'm Jasmine. Watch along as I show you how to make this DIY Christmas stovetop potpourri. So let's get into the ingredients. First, we start with whole cloves. The cloves are what will help the aroma last longer in your potpourri pot. And then we move on to the cinnamon sticks. Because really, what is Christmas without the scent of cinnamon, right, guys? Okay, so next, the ingredient that we'll add in is cranberries. Now, these cranberries, they add more color than aroma, but they just look so beautiful in the pot. And then your citrus. You'll slice this and it adds brightness and freshness that mixes in well with those spices and herbs. I use oranges, but you can use whatever citrus you prefer. And then fresh rosemary to top it off. It adds depth and almost a piney scent to the Christmas potpourri. All right, now that we have our ingredients, let's get a pot and put it on the stove, and you will fill it with 4 to 6 cups of water. You'll actually refill the water as needed while your potpourri is simmering. And you actually can put this in a slow cooker or even a crock pot on high for a few hours without needing to add more water, because when you put the crock pot lid on, it actually prevents the evaporation. But I actually like putting mine in a pot because it's so beautiful on the stove. Okay, so first I'm going to take my oranges and I'm going to slice them. I'm using 1.5 orange slices for the pot. And I know to use that much because it covers the top of my pot just to make it pretty and make sure that I have enough coverage for the entire space. Next, we'll add in a cup to a cup and a half of cranberries. I like the pot to look beautiful. And then 4 to 5 sticks of cinnamon. And then lastly, I'm adding in about 3 teaspoons of cloves and 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary. All right, perfect. So now we have all of our ingredients in the pot, so let's go ahead and turn the stove on it. And you just want it on a slight simmer. All right, guys, so you can let this stovetop potpourri simmer as long as you like on low heat, and just check the water level since the water will evaporate over time. Now, this potpourri can simmer for hours and hours over, a 2 to 3 day time span. Just keep refilling the water every 1 to 2 hours as needed. And if you really want to prolong its life, go ahead and refrigerate it overnight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with a friend. Bye, guys.